Yo guys, what is up? I am Mukulbisht aka Luciferin, and today I'll be fixing your display capture bug which shows you the black screen, unfortunately. But yeah, after first I had made a video. If you haven't checked it before, so go and check it, but it's no use right now because after the Windows 10 version 2004, you cannot technically do that with ease. So now I'm going to tell you how to fix your display capture bug completely without any need of modification or something. Just go to your NVIDIA settings control panel, not NVIDIA setting, NVIDIA control panel. Yeah, let it load. Go to manage 3D setting and click on program setting and add your StreamLabs-OBS here. As you can see, mine is here, and just select the integrated graphics and click on apply. Wait for it to apply and it's done. So yeah, close this option and go back to your Streamlabs OBS and go to settings, then advanced, and as you can see here is a force GPU as render device option, which is unchecked for me. It might be checked for you. So just go and uncheck this option. What this option does is still uses your GPU even after you have activated integrated graphics. It still uses your GPU as a render device, and as you know, display capture don't work on GPUs. So just uncheck this and hopefully your display capture will start working, or if it doesn't work, just give it a restart. It will work. But if it still doesn't work, just go to your right click on your Windows icon and go to display manager, and in your display manager go to display adapters. And as you can see, I have a Intel UHD graphics 620 and Nvidia GeForce 940 MX. So you just have to go to your Nvidia, or you might have AMD, just disable that device. I know you might be thinking I am dumb or something, but no, just go with it. Just disable. You will see flash on the video recording, but yeah, this is how it works. And yeah, so as you can see, after that flash, my Nvidia GeForce 940 MX is disabled, and hopefully your display capture will automatically start working, or your will crash. So just reactivate it, enable this device, and open your Streamlabs, and boom, it's all working. And if it still doesn't work, unlucky you, comment, give me a comment. I'll try to reply you or fix your bugs, whichever it is. So hope you liked the video. Please give me a like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.